We asked the ChatGPT AI Assistant to predict the future of technology. It provided 19 predictions. Continue watching to see if you agree. The future of technology is promising and holds potential for innovation and progress. Advancements in AI, quantum computing, IoT, and robotics technology are expected. Challenges such as cybersecurity and data management will need to be addressed. Artificial intelligence will continue to advance and become more integrated into our daily lives, from voice assistants to personalized medical treatments. Augmented and virtual reality technologies will become more mainstream and be used in areas such as education, entertainment, and training. Quantum computing will become more powerful, allowing for breakthroughs in areas such as drug discovery and cryptography. High-speed wireless networks will enable new applications and devices, such as self-driving cars and smart cities. Internet of Things devices will become more widespread and interconnected, creating new opportunities for data analysis and automation. Blockchain technology will be used in more areas beyond cryptocurrency, such as supply chain management and voting systems. Biotechnology will enable new medical treatments and therapies, including gene editing and personalized medicine. The use of renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power will continue to grow, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Nanotechnology will enable new materials and devices with unique properties, such as flexible screens and lightweight yet strong materials. Robotics will continue to advance and be used in more areas such as manufacturing, healthcare, and space exploration. Space exploration and travel will become more accessible and commercially viable, with private companies leading the way. Cybersecurity will become even more critical as more devices and systems become connected and vulnerable to attacks. Autonomous vehicles, including drones and self-driving cars, will become more commonplace. 3D printing will be used in more areas such as healthcare and construction, allowing for custom and precise manufacturing. Wearable technology, such as smartwatches and health trackers, will continue to evolve and become more personalized. Big data analytics will enable businesses and organizations to gain insights and make data-driven decisions. Cloud computing will become even more ubiquitous, allowing for easier access and management of data and applications. Digital currencies will continue to grow in popularity and use, with more mainstream acceptance and regulation. Overall, the future of technology is exciting and dynamic, with endless possibilities for positive impact and transformation.